All right, on the Flat Rate Master, and so much fun I get to do it all over again. Yeah, so much fun I get to do it over again. Different car though. It is another 1234YF Civic with a leaking AC hose, this one right here, and a leaking compressor front seal. Not going to complain about this one. We are actually not doing the condenser. The customer has declined that. So we're just doing the hose and compressor. Moving on. Because even Koyo, side note, people were like, what about aftermarket? What about aftermarket for these condensers? Because we're having so much trouble getting OE condensers that didn't leak. Gotten 2 Koyos, which obviously are from the same manufacturer. Same lines down the back, same leaks. I wound up getting a TYC. Now, when we originally set up that original job, nobody had any stock. That's why we couldn't get aftermarket. We were able to finally get aftermarket, and that's what the customer got, was a TYC. Best I could find. It worked. It didn't leak. I got asked about whether or not they were nitrogen filled. None of them had any pressure in them at all, except the TYC. The TYC, when I popped the caps, nice hiss. Worked great, blows cold, it's gone. So this will be tomorrow's thing. So let's see what else is going on around the shop, because I got some interesting stuff. I get to put a used transmission in a Honda Civic. Craig has this Camry with a noise complaint. Customer's doing sway bar links and not the struts. Sway bar links were the main noise, but Uber drivers, well, Uber drivers. Mazda over there has a bad fuel pump. Aaron is actually working downstairs because Zach's off. Eric and Billy just got all their stuff done, so there's nothing in their bay, you know, clearing out for Friday. Billy actually helped me out, and he did 2 tires and alignment for me because I wasn't going to get to them. So Cole has some interesting stuff. You know, Lexus, of course, ABS light. Yeah, it needs the ABS pole unit. He's a little nervous about that call, but I assured him it's a common failure. His tests were good. Yeah. Customer said no. But he did his checks right, made the right call. He had to put a used HCU in a Escape the other day, and it was kind of a fun. So he's a little hesitant to sell another one. But used is not available on that one. All right, this one I felt bad for leaving him with, because it's been kind of a nightmare, and we finally found out what actually happened. So this Highlander got towed in as a no crank, no start. I initially looked at it, but I was going on vacation the next week. So I wasn't going to be here, and parts, you know, so I was like, yeah, well, while I'm here, Cole, why don't you take this over? So if anything, you know, parts need to be ordered, you can put it in Monday, probably get it programmed, you know, yada, yada, yada. Well, AAA jump-started it backwards. We've already put 2 modules in it, because what happened is the HVAC and the radio stayed on no matter what. The key, the push button, did nothing. Like literally nothing. Didn't recognize the key. They fried the security module and another module, and I forget what it was. And because it's now a crank no start, yeah, they also fried the ECM. I've never seen one of these jump started backwards that didn't blow the main fuse. It only blew a 30 amp fuse for the ECM. It only blew the 30 amp main fuse and fried 3 modules at least. So Cole's been dealing with this. He actually put the other 2 modules in the parking lot because we couldn't turn the steering wheel, and it was in a parking spot that did not line up with a bay. So he had some fun in the parking lot in Georgia heat. So, but Cole's always a trooper. Eric helped him out when I was out on vacation. Just took a couple days for me and my wife. And so, fun. Important to not jump start cars backwards. I would not rely on AAA for anything, honestly. I mean, little side rant on AAA. We have a lot of customers that have AAA, so we deal with a lot of AAA batteries. The installations are junk. I mean, like, they'll unbolt the hole down, pull the battery out, slide the battery into the hole down, but because they don't take the hole down out, it doesn't go all the way in there, so it's always cantered like that. Had one the other day, it was a no crank, no start, and literally brand new, as in July 21 battery, just installed, and I was able to unscrew the bolt holding down the main battery cables, and I was able to pull the main positive battery terminal off. So yeah, they suck, and their batteries suck too. As always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.